Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Creating a broken symlink, symbolic link, in Python is a relatively simple process. A broken symlink is essentially a symbolic link that points to a non-existent target file or directory. This can be useful in certain scenarios, such as when you want to create a placeholder for a file that will be created later. In this tutorial, I'll explain how to create a broken symlink using Python, and provide a code example. Before we get started, make sure you have the following. First, you need to import the OS module, which provides the functions for working with the file system and creating symbolic links. You need to specify the target file or directory path and the symlink path. Creating a broken symlink, symbolic link, with Python is a straightforward process. A symbolic link is a reference to a file or directory that may not exist, making it a useful tool for various tasks in system administration and development. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a broken symlink using Python with code examples. Before you proceed, make sure you have Python installed on your system. Python 3.x is recommended. We will use the OS module in Python to create symbolic links, and then intentionally break the link by specifying a target that doesn't exist. Here's a step-by-step guide. Here's the complete Python script to create a broken symlink. Replace /path/to/symlink and /path/to/non-existent_file_or_directory with the actual paths you want to use. After running this script, you'll have a broken symlink at the specified location. You can use the os.path.ilink and os.path.exists functions to check if a symlink is valid and if the target exists. Here's how you can test your broken symlink. This code will help you verify that your symbolic link is indeed broken. You have successfully learned how to create a broken symlink in Python. Symbolic links can be useful in various scenarios, including managing file dependencies and creating shortcuts. Be cautious when creating broken symlinks, as they can lead to unexpected behavior in your system. ChatGPT.